stuck ngayon. Leopardon is stuck, guys. Tignan natin. Nabili ko na. Wala na akong pera. Tignan natin yan. So guys, come quick and check it out because it ends in 3 hours, which is it ends in 11 hours. Let's go take this and you guys take a movie. Well, I just bought the lead. See, I have no picture. I have nothing under this. There you go. A beast. So guys, check it out and play it, and then check it out and then buy it, because if you don't buy it but you check it out, it was a waste of time. So that's it guys, bye bye. I will post this to YouTube.